Welcome to the new Sheridan Continuing and Professional Studies website. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a profile in the new CAPS website. Go to caps.sheridancollege.ca. From the homepage, navigate to the upper right corner of the page and locate Login, Create Account. Click on the green Create New Profile button. For returning students, please enter your Sheridan student ID number where it says PeopleSoft ID. This will help in identifying and correctly matching your existing profile in PeopleSoft and prevent account duplication. For students new to the college, this field can be left blank. Complete the rest of the account information form. Create a username. Create a password. Give yourself a hint to remember your password. And so on, until you enter all your information. Review and accept the Sheridan policies, and accept and agree by selecting the radio buttons. Double-check all the entered information to make sure it is accurate. Then click Submit. Click I agree to once again confirm your acceptance of the Sheridan policies and procedures. Your profile has now been successfully created. You can now begin exploring and registering for the programs and courses offered by Sheridan Continuing and Professional Studies. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact the CAPS Opportunity Center at 905-874-4440 or email us at caps@sheridancollege.ca.